Winter is coming. It was just a couple of weeks ago I was working outside with my sunglasses on. This week it's turned cold and we've had so much rain. It's not really too cold yet, so it feels like a perfect time to get the workshop prepared for winter. When I built this workshop, I insulated it well. We've got insulation in the ceiling, the walls, the floor. I've got double glazed windows and even the door is insulated. The one weak point though, I feel, is the sills around the door. So what I've got is some new draft excluder strips. The first couple of these should be pretty easy to install. I just get them put on the door frame, pushed up tight against the door, and then I have some round-headed screws I can get driven in. That's the two easy ones installed. I need 3 more bits that all need to be measured, marked and cut down. So we're all insulated in here and the drafts are sorted out. Now we need some heat. Now I had been thinking about the idea of going down the diesel heater route, but I was worried about it for a few reasons. How noisy they might be in here with filming, the fumes and the potential fire risk. So I've opted for going for an electric heater instead. This is going to be the cheaper option and the installation is a lot simpler. This has got a few settings. The first is just the fan, then up to 1000 watts, which I think would be great for autumn days like this, and then you can go to 2000 for those winter days that are coming pretty soon. I've had this running for just under 5 minutes and it's already gone up a couple of degrees in here, so I think it's going to work great. I like the fan heater because it really helps move the air around. Now, as I say, one of the reasons I got this was because of the price. The unit itself is cheap, but for me it's also cheap to run because I'm powering it off my EcoFlow Delta Pro power station. I have some EcoFlow solar panels up on the workshop roof, meaning my workshop is completely off-grid. It means I've got no energy bills for my business, I'm eco-friendly, and I've got a constant energy supply. The Delta Pro provides up to 3600 watts of power, so it can handle this heater no problem at all, as well as any other tools I have in the workshop, like a large table saw and dust extractor at the same time, as well as all the lights I have on in here. The Delta Pro is portable and I can take it in the house if I need to. With winter just around the corner, it's nice to know that I can keep the lights and the heating on if the mains power goes out. As I work from home, it's great saving money on my energy bills, but it's really nice having the security of having an EcoFlow for backup. I also have another unit, the EcoFlow River 2. This is a great little lightweight portable unit, which means I can take it to markets. You might have seen all the lamps I'm making, and when I go to markets, I need to power them and take this with me. With an extension lead, I can plug 10 lamps into this. Well, I can plug more, but I do plug 10 lamps into this, and then that's a great display at the market. All the other traders are quite jealous of this unit. EcoFlow have some great Amazon Prime Day deals coming up, with offers on selected items across their range to power you through autumn, both home and away. With some top picks for autumn power for both home and travel, you can save up to 40% off on October the 8th and 9th on both EcoFlow's website and Amazon, so I'll put links under the video to both of those. There's also a code for an additional 10% off, so there's a link to that code under the video as well. So thank you very much for EcoFlow for powering my workshop for over the last 2 years. I've been missing my chair while I've had it pushed up against the wall to get it out of the way. Oh, an essential to get me through most days, but particularly in winter, is tea. The trouble is with this chair, I've got nowhere to put it apart from the floor. I don't want a table in here, I've got no room for more furniture. I just need somewhere to rest it. And I think I can make something that goes on this arm. So, to the shed. I'm not going to need anything too big. A mug should fit on that. I'm going to need 3 bits of wood for this. The first bit needs to be as thick as the arm plus the thickness of the 2 other bits. And then the other bits can be basically the same as that actually. So 3 bits the same. These 3 bits now need to go together into a U shape, and how I'm going to join them, I think, is with some box joints that I'm going to get marked out and cut by hand. Now leave this to dry and then come back with a cup of tea. The last job on this then, I think I'll do is get a bit of clear wax rubbed into it. Let's see how this is going to work then. Slips over there nicely and my tea is in place. That's great. Simple little thing. but I'm feeling ready for winter in here now. We're nicely sealed up, we've got heating, and I've got a place to enjoy a nice warm cup of tea. So thank you for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos. Cheers.